Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'll be showing you my skincare routine, and this is the night edition. So let us see what my skin looks like previously. So I had these weird small bumps everywhere on my face, and then it was very prominent on my forehead, and I tried to search what's wrong with it. I really don't know. And then this is my today's skin, and I think that it has been clearing up so well. So I hope that this will help you guys too. So first, I'll be removing my makeup by using the Garnier Micellar cleansing water. What you have to do is get yourself a cotton pad, put the product onto the cotton pad, and then just swipe it on your face. Be sure to use a gentle and upward swiping motions. I love this cleansing water so much because it's so mild and can be used for sensitive skin. So let's say if that day I used a heavy makeup, so I will use the Clinique Take the Day Off cleansing balm. So you have to do is just take some of the product and then just put it on your face and rub it and wash it. I know that I have a cotton pad on the side of my face. It's because I have been filming this half blind, guys. So next, I'll be taking a shower, and I'm back and it feels so good. So now I'll be cleansing my face. So I will use the COSRX Low pH Good Morning Gel Cleanser. So all you have to do is take some of the product, I think it's around a pea size, and then just rub it against your palm, and then with a circular motion, just put it on your face. I love this cleanser because it is so mild and gentle, and then they actually have evening primrose as one of the ingredients in the cleanser, and I think that is great. Then I'll be giving myself a little bit of massage and then wash it off, and basically just tap your face with a towel. Be sure to have a specific towel just for your face only, it's very important. And then I'll be start masking, and I will use the The Ordinary AHA 30% and BHA 2% peeling solution, and this I will alternate it with the Freeman Rejuvenating Cucumber and Pink Salt Clay Mask. So the Ordinary, I'll be using it once a week, and then this clay mask I will use every 3 days. So we'll be using this today. So all you have to do is just take some and just put it on your face. And gently swipe it on your face. But I have to warn you guys that this thing stings a lot. So I do not recommend this for any sensitive skin people. So now we just have to wait for 8 minutes. This is me karaokeing with myself and acting like I'm reading a book while waiting. So 8 minutes is up, and all you have to do is wash your face. So this is me after washing my face. I think you can see the difference that my face looks a lot brighter. So again, just tap the towel. So you can see I have some acne on my forehead, so I'll be using the First Aid Beauty Ginger and Turmeric Vitamin C Jelly Mask. I do say that this mask really helped to reduce down the appearance of my acne the next day, reducing it in terms of the redness. So all I have to do is get myself a spatula, and then just put it on my face. Make sure to put it evenly, and I got those spatula from Miniso for $5, so be sure to get it. It's so cheap. And just wait for 10 minutes, guys. So here I am again, back after washing my face and be damping my face. So next I will tone my face by using the Mamonde Pore Clear Toner with this flower, which I don't know how to pronounce. Get myself a cotton pad and then shake it a bit because it actually sediments down there. And then just put some on your cotton pad, and then again swipe upward motions and very gently. It is very important that you don't forget your neck. And then I'll be tapping it off to sink into my skin. So next, I'll be using the Biotherm Live Plankton Essence, and my best friend Fa actually gave this to me, and I think it makes such much difference on my skin. All I have to do is just put 2 to 3 drops and then just press it against my skin. I wouldn't recommend you guys to rub it too much onto your skin because we want this to sink into the skin. So literally just push the product into your skin. So next I'll be using the ordinary Niacinamide 10% and Zinc 1% as my serum. So all you have to do is just put a little tiny drops on the parts of your face. And I wouldn't recommend you to use so much because this serum is very thick. So all you have to do is slowly swipe it onto your face, because this product tends to bubble a lot if you swipe it really fast. So just do it slowly. Now again, don't forget your neck side. And then this is me doing the piano motion, is what Michelle Fan always call it. So yeah, just basically pushing the products to my skin. So next I'll be using the Benefit It's Potent Eye Cream. So I have to do is take myself a cotton bud and then just put 3 little dots underneath my eye, on my eye bag, and then use my ring finger to tap it. It is advisable to use your ring finger because it has the least pressure. So as a moisturizer, I will use this Sonenpart Beauty Gel. I don't know why I use this as a moisturizer. I think because I love the texture so much. So all I have to do is just put 3 pumps and then yeah, you're good to go. Just slowly tap it inside, because this moisturizer is the most lightweight and it's very watery texture, baby. That's why I love it as a moisturizer, and I think it does work for my skin. So this is me again doing the piano motions and tapping it in and then giving myself a little massage. You always have to love yourself a little bit. So again, don't forget the neck. So now I'm doing the third masking, which is the Laneige water sleeping mask. And oh my god guys, I think this is my holy grail right now, which helps to reduce my bump so much. So all you have to do is take a cotton bud and then just take some and then just put it on your face. A little tip is to put your water sleeping mask inside the fridge, so that when you put it, it will be all cold, you know, so it feels so good. So basically what this mask do is that it will hydrate your face while you were sleeping. And yes guys, I do this every day and this actually works. I thought it was something else, but it was actually this. It's actually my skin was lack of moisture. So please buy this. It's so cheap in Altea. Go buy it. So I guess guys, that's it. So now all I have to do is just get my beauty sleep, and yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope that you will like my video and subscribe down below, and I guess I'll see you on my next video. Bye.